welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angel. Hi, if you're new there, welcome to a new vlog. So it's gonna be a pretty chill vlog, and I'm at home. My NSEMs are done, and I can't believe that I am officially done with my first year. So it's my summer break, and the break is for around 1.5 2 months almost. And today is a Wednesday, and it's 12:49 p.m. right now, and we're going to the mall because we were bored. So we're like, why not go to the mall and check out the new latest summer collection, and if I find something good, I'll probably shop. But let's see, we're probably gonna go to Tira and Sephora because we want to buy some things, and I'll probably check out H&M and Zara because like go-to brands. And yeah, I'll take you all along with me, and now I just need to decide what I'll wear. It's very hot, so I'll probably wear something summery, very light, and which is easy to change if I try on some clothes. So that is the plan, and I will also be going to the movies today. Sham ko 8 o'clock ka booked movie, The Devil Wears Prada 2, and I'm pretty excited about it. So yeah, that is the plan for today. It's my parents' anniversary as well, so not today, tomorrow. So let's see what we do about it. We'll probably go somewhere out for dinner. I actually wanted to go out for like a staycation or something, but then it's so hot outside. Like kahi bahar jana bhi, like any hill station or somewhere, that is also gonna be hot right now. We're like घर पे आराम से AC चालू करके बैठते हैं अभी when the weather gets a little better. थोड़ी monsoon आएगी because in Pune usually June July से the weather is nice, बारिश होने लगती है. So we like फिर kind of postpone the plan, and then we'll stay. But if we go somewhere, I'll obviously vlog. So yeah, that's the little update, and I am actually kind of waiting for my results because my exams actually they went pretty well. Like एक ही एग्ज़ाम मेरा ओके गया था, which was stats. So I'm just hoping good grades, nothing else. And I am getting late now, so I should get ready. Take it off. I don't like it. It's uncomfortable. Guys, we are in a home center. First stop. Cups, cups, cups. Mama. I wanted to buy Elf Beauty ka new blush, but unfortunately they don't have, what the hell, they don't have Elf Beauty anywhere in the mall, not only in Tira but sad. I tried this.
एकदम पॉप लंपिंग लग रहा है.
नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. सेम है पास वाले सुसुकी. ये देखो. Ew. This is so cute. The girl in me is literally screaming. This is so cute. I am so happy.
देखो मैं कितना अच्छी हूँ, जरूरत मत चीजें ले लो सिर्फ.
तुम अच्छे हो, जरूरतमंद चीजें ले लो. Look at this. Oh my god. I tried this one top on, it's really nice, so I am thinking to buy. And rest you can see the collection. Glasses. We are in California burrito. We went to Zara and मेरे को अच्छी चीज़ें दिखी for college, but rest was okay. So I am gonna buy college के लिए a bit later because अभी time है college खुलने को. So नया collection भी आ सकता है. So I'll wait for that. And I'm loving my hair once again. I'm gonna take a burrito from here as well. We're just waiting for Spandan and Auntie, and we're having. We went to Sephora as well. Bought some stuff.
मम्मा का है एमओडी का डोनट.
Guys, y'all have to try his matcha order. That's the only matcha that I like. So cute. I just bought 2-3 basic t-shirts and one lip gloss from
डिस्प्ले भी नहीं लगा
Kiko. He got this United jersey and he's the first one to buy that in the entire Pune. उन्होंने डिस्प्ले भी नहीं लगाया है, but yeah, he wanted, so they gave it. They literally started the whole thing for us.
Next day.
So it's the next day and we are going out for dinner because it's my parents' anniversary, and rest you can watch and enjoy. Hi mama. We're trying to decide where to eat.
इधर लगता है लोग नहीं है.
पूल तो उधर है. This is Koji. It's Pan-Asian. This is their menu. We've ordered dumplings, champa, and other stuff. And let's see what we eat mains mein. Q2s. Yes. That's there. That's the live kitchen. The
can't wait.
He loves junk food. Happy anniversary. केक कौन खिलाता है अब हम डिम्सम खिलाते हैं एक दूसरे को.
अब ये तुम्हारा है.
But we got chicken clay pot and edamame fried rice, which is super yummy. Bye, let me eat. Yay! Hi guys, so as promised, I will now share my end semester results with you all. And I went to Bombay in between to meet my family, and तभी आ गया था. And yeah, now I'll just show you all my results. This is the PDF, but I'll just show you all my grade because I can't show you some of the information and also obviously. So my first examination, which was NABM, I got O in that, and O is like outstanding. It's above A plus, so that's the best. I am very happy about that. And in digital marketing, I was literally expecting an O or minimum A plus, but I don't know how I got an A. I am kind of disappointed in that, but it's okay. Leaving that, in FSA, financial statement analysis, I am sad. Like, I was at least expecting an A. I know इतना top notch मेरा paper भी नहीं गया था, but like still last time भी I got B plus, so I was like इस बार A आ जाए, so that is also like a bit of improvement, but it's fine. We got B plus. And in economics, that went really well, so I got O in that. In business communication, I got O again. And in stats, I was expecting like really bad grades because इतना अच्छा नहीं गया था मेरा paper, because I literally didn't study for it because I had to pack and all, but I got an A in that, so it's okay. थोड़ा सा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड स्टैट्स का ऊपर नीचे हुआ है. स्टैट्स का तो अच्छा ऊपर हुआ है, आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट इट, बट लाइक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. Rest all I'm actually satisfied, and I am happy with my grades. Honestly, I am happy with the grades, but yeah, one more. In elective, I got an O again. Trading, my elective is trading and stock market, so in total I got 4 O's and 2 A's and 1 B plus. So yeah, I am happy with the grades, but मेरा CGPA थोड़ा ऊपर जा सकता था. So my CGPA is 8.76, 8.8 round off करके. So yeah, that is it for this video. Do like, share and comment, and please subscribe. I love you all. I am so grateful for you all. Bye, take care.